A few video ago, I showed you how I made the coop, but this time I made some extension, I made some modification. Come, let me show you. So this is the new improved design that I came up with. If you watched my last video, you saw the coop was much smaller. What I did was I did some changes. I made it bigger, I made it triple the size what it used to be. The roof got a new look, the run got more space, and we added some more buff or paintings. So that's what it looks like. We give you a 360-degree overview. You see, I have privacy issues. For example, I don't want my neighbors to see the chickens there, so I staple these lawn cloth. These are very strong lawn cloth. I staple them, the top pieces, and the bottom I left them open. So when wind comes, it automatically creates a ventilation for them, air circulation. But you can't see it in the video. The hardware cloth is there, so I made sure I had hardware cloth to make it predator proof. All right, and another feature that I added is you can see in the coop, everything is closed up. You see, it's all closed up. This is toward the backyard of my property, where I don't want the neighbors to see the chickens, because out of sight, out of mind is the key. And it also minimizes the noise. These chickens don't make too much noise, but when they do, the noise would be minimized where the neighbors would not be bothered. Because if the neighbors are bothered, then you become the bad neighbor. I don't want to do that. So right now I have the roof with plastic. You see through clear. It comes in handy. It will be great during the winter time where you need more sunshine to get into the coop. Summertime, however, I might cover it up to keep it cool, to keep the sun from getting into the coop and making it too hot. So I'm debating whether or not I should cover it up during the summertime or not, or just put some kind of covering in the front of the coop where the sun does most of the heating. So while I have you interested, I would like to show you how it looks in the inside. You see, we already have the brown one is the actual egg. The other two are fake to encourage the chickens to lay some more. And that's the roosting bar. They're usually there at night. And the space is big, I would say, for 12 chickens. I have 6. We used to have 7. One of them passed away. And the inside looks nice and cozy for them. In the summertime, what we do is, we try to make it more comfortable, reliable, predator-proof, and a place they would want to stay. We also make it so that the heat doesn't stay, because the whole day the sun hits the wall and it heats up in there. So you see some of the wood shaving you see, we will be removing that because winter month is just going away right now. Summer is approaching. We're going to remove some of that to keep it more to allow more air basically to come in through the coop and pass through. We have windows on all sides of the coop, and of course the run is well ventilated, but the windows help out big time. And these windows are also predator proof. Of course, if you want to know more, please don't hesitate to leave comment below. Subscribe to our channel. You could help us out like that. Like this video, share it with anyone you think might benefit. If you're wondering, we named our chicken Cookie, Nugget, and Tuna, and the others don't have a name yet. They are going to get their name soon because we're still learning their character. Each of the chickens are different. They have individual liking and they act differently as well. So thank you for watching.